Hi dear customer, this is Casey from Guangzhou Toyota Company. Today I'd like to introduce our some new model zipper for you. So first is this zipper. You can see this zipper looks very beautiful and special, especially for lady color, for lady garment. This two side has the rainbow, rainbow color. And then another zipper which we want to show to you in this fair is about the newest double layer nylon zipper, which is suitable for the trolley bag. So this double layer zipper, the advantage is when you land the trolley bag on the corner, and here will run very smooth. So you can see it's a double layer very clearly from here and from here, see. And another zipper is elastic tape zipper, which is suitable for the mosquito protection tent and for other bitten or the climbing bag. So if you are interested for such this new Eastern zipper, you are welcome to contact us. We are QQ company in Guangzhou City. Thank you.